Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to convert an ordinary video to a cinematic video in one click. First we need to install Cineon app in your iPhone. I am already installed, so let us see what to do with it. Let's open the app. I have taken an object to show you. See, the filters are automatically applied to the photo. Like this. I am showing different filters and I am showing you to how to download. Let's download one thing. We can download any filter we want and apply what filter we want, and we can record the video using that filter. Entire video is playing with that filter only. See, the object is playing with that filter automatically. It is recorded with that filter. Let me show you with an existing video. Let's select a video. Let's see, it is loading. You can select the filters whatever you want. I am selecting HDR. It is very good. It is automatically applied to our video. And we can download it. We can download now. It is saved into our gallery. Please subscribe.